Hi friends, this is Nirmal Patel from Akshar Education, and in this video we are going to do 4 questions based on BODMAS. But here the question will have everything. So it will have fractions, it will have power involved into that. So once you do know how to solve these questions, I think you'll be truly master of the concept. So let us start our question number 1, guys. In question number 1, I do have 27 plus 4 multiplied by 3 square minus 18 over 3. So the very first thing, what am I going to do is, do I have any bracket involved? So I can't see any bracket. So my second thing goes to order. Order is a power, guys. Is there any power involved in the question? And I can see there is a power, guys, 3 square. So I got to do that, work it out that first. So I'm not going to touch anything else. 27 as it is, plus 4 as it is, multiplication as it is, only 3 square. So 3 square is 3 times 3, which is going to be 9, which I'll put it down, minus 18 over 3. So only one thing I did it first, guys. Now there is no bracket, there is no order. So division and multiplication, whatever it comes first, that will be doing. So here is the addition, here is a multiplication. So I do have multiplication here. So that's where my full focus is going to be. So 27 plus 4 9s are 36 minus 18 over 3. Now I can see I got an addition, I got a subtraction, but don't forget, guys, here 18 over 3. That's like 18 divided by 3. So this is the first thing I'll be doing. So 27 plus 36, and then I can do 18 over 3. So 3 6 are 18. So that's going to be minus 6. Now you can just work it out, your addition and subtraction, whatever comes first. So I'll be just doing like 36 plus 27. If I do like 36 plus 27 in a cooler way, guys, I can just add up 30 instead, and then I can take away 3. So 36 plus 30, which gives me 66, is it not? 36 then plus 30 is going to be 66, but then 3 less, which will give me 63. And then 63 minus 6 will be my answer. So 63, 3 less, which is 60, and then 3 more less, which will give me 57. So 57 is my final answer of question number 1. In question number 2, I do have 14 times into bracket 7 minus 20 over 4 bracket complete plus 9. I do have a bracket here, so my focus is in the bracket. Within that bracket, I got a minus and I got a division here, 20 over 4. So I'll be just focusing in 20 over 4 first. So 14 as it is, then 7, and then minus 20 divided by 4. 4 5s are 20, so that is going to be 5. Now my bracket is still there, so I'll be working out on that. Like 7 minus 5 is going to be 2. So 14 times 2 plus 9. Now I do have times and addition. Definitely multiplication has got the first priority. So my focus now is here. 14 2s are 28. 28 plus 9. But as you do know, guys, cool way to do 28 plus 9 is just add 10 and then minus 1. So 28 plus 10, 38. Then take away 1, which is 37. So 37 is my final answer of question number 2. Question number 3. 16 minus 2 times 4 plus 5 square divided by 5. So my first priority is the bracket, but there is no bracket involved. So my second priority I can see is the order. Order is the power, and I can see there is a power right here, 5 power 2. So that's where my full focus is going to be. So everything else I'm going to just write down as it is. 16 minus 2 times 4 plus everything as it is, just 5 square, which is 5 times 5, and 5 times 5 is 25. So that is the only thing I'll be working out. Now there is no bracket, there is no order, so there is no power. So division and multiplication, whatever comes first, that's what we'll be doing. So 16 minus 2 times 4. So I can see there is a multiplication right here. So our full focus here, 2 times 4. So there is a 16, I'll write down as it is. There's a minus, so I'll write down minus as well. And then 2 4s are 8. Guys, you got to be a little bit careful. Don't forget there's a minus. You can put on plus here. Yeah. And then there's a plus 25 divided by 5. And now I got a minus, I got a plus, I got a division. And my priority is going to be this division. So my full focus is going to be in this area, which is 25 divided by 5. So 16 minus 8 plus 25 divided by 5 is going to be just 5, because 5 5s are 25. So that's going to be 5. Now, addition and subtraction. Whatever comes first, we can do. So 16 minus 8 is going to be just 8. And then 8 plus 5 is going to be just 13, which is my final answer of question number 3. Now, the last question, guys. Here I can see I got a bracket involved, I got an order, which is the power involved, but my first priority is just the bracket. So I'll be just focusing only in bracket. Everything outside, I'm not going to touch it. So I'll write down as it is, like 10 square. I will not touch this. Minus 5 as it is, times as it is. I'll be just focusing only in this bracket. Also within the bracket, I got a 24 divided by 4. So there is a division and there is a plus. So definitely the division has got our first priority. So I'll be just working here, 24 divided by 4. 4, 6 are 24. So 24 divided by 4 is going to be just 6. So 6 plus 3. Still I have got a bracket. So I will not be looking anything else, but I'll be resolving my bracket first. So 10 square minus 5 times 6 plus 3 is going to be 9, which I can write down here. Now my bracket is completely resolved. So after bracket, my second priority is the order, which is the power. And I have got a power right here, 10 square. So 10 square is 10 times 10, which is 100. So that is going to be 100 minus 5 times 9. Now two operations left, minus and multiplication. Surely I'll be doing multiplication first, yeah? So 100 minus 5 9s are 45. And if I do 100 minus 45, simply you can do 100 minus 50, which is 50. And then 5 you can add up, which is 55. So 55 is your final answers. Now after learning this successfully, I think, guys, you have successfully mastered the total concept of BODMAS. Thank you very much for watching, and I'll see you in the next video. Bye.